Hello aspirants, welcome to E-Takshila classes. My name is Vasundhara Thakur and today I am going to start with a new series for our NDA aspirants, those who are all set to attempt for the exam this time. And in this series, I am going to be discussing a lecture every day with you all on random and miscellaneous topics. So the very first topic that I have picked up for today is phrasal verbs and prepositions. So we are going to be discussing the PYQs and general questions, and there are certain questions that I have randomly selected, और उनमें से जो भी options हैं, I will be explaining every meaning to you. I will explaining every option to you which is suitable, and the ones which are not suitable, why they are not the same, right? तो इस तरीके से हम लोग discuss करेंगे सबसे पहले. तो the very first question that we have in front of us is the football match had to be dash because of the weather. Now, phrasal verbs and prepositions का कितना weightage है सबसे पहले तो हम ये discuss कर लेते हैं कि why are they important? They are very important because preposition और phrasal verbs से हमारे पास बहुत सारे questions जो है वो बन के आते हैं, कभी fill in the blanks के form में, कभी spotting errors के form में. That is why it is very important. Or in order to understand why a particular preposition will suit a particular verb, you need to understand the meaning also that is associated or attached with it, right? So let us go through the first question, which says the football match had to be dashed because of the weather. Now you have four options here. You have called on, right? Then you have called off, you have called out, and you also have called over, right? So out of these four options, आपका जो है इसमें से कौन सा करेक्ट है? सबसे पहले देखो, हमारे पास है कॉल्ड ऑन. कॉल्ड ऑन का क्या मतलब होता है? कॉल्ड ऑन का मतलब होता है विजिट समवन. ठीक है, कॉल्ड ऑन मीन्स विजिट समवन. नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस कॉल्ड ओवर. कॉल्ड ओवर का मीनिंग होता है, फॉर एग्जाम्पल व्हेन यू like if I say that he called him over to his place. So when you invite someone, I called them over for dinner, right? Call out का क्या मतलब होता है? Call out का मतलब होता है to shout. They called out my name. And the last one, called off, it means, what is the meaning of this word? It means cancel. तो अब अगर वेदर खराब हो गया है तो आप क्या बताएंगे कि मैच जो है that was called on, called off, called out or called over? The answer will be of course called off. It was called off. ठीक है, तो अब आप you need to understand one thing here. See, you have all the words that begin with called, right? What is the difference? The difference lies here. The verb remains constant, but the preposition attached to it keeps changing. So that is how the meaning also changes, right? So you see, called on means visit, called off means cancelled, called out means to shout, and called over is to invite someone. So this is how you need to attempt such questions, and you need to learn them, all the phrasal verbs. And how is that going to be done? That is that can be achieved only through practice, and that is what we are here for. We are going to practice as many questions as we can, right? So let us move to the next question, which says, my teacher was dash us for being late. Now you have four options: annoyed at, annoyed with, and annoyed about. You also have annoyed, right? So take a few seconds and think of the answer. Now basically, annoyed at and annoyed with are the same thing. बहुत बच्चे they get confused between these options. So you are always annoyed at something, but you are annoyed with someone. ठीक है, annoyed about कुछ नहीं होता, and you cannot say my teacher was annoys us. This is totally wrong. So if you use elimination method, these two options will straight away they'll be cancelled. You are left with two things, which is annoyed at and you have annoyed with. So don't get confused whenever you have. You are always annoyed at something, but you are annoyed with someone, right? So if I say that I was annoyed at his behavior, right? So that is at, because his behavior is like something. But when I say I was annoyed with him, if I was annoyed dash him, I will say annoyed with him because it is someone. So ये आपको याद रखना है, you are annoyed at what and you are annoyed with whom, right? द ओनली डिफरेंस इज डायरेक्ट और लिविंग और नॉन लिविंग थिंग का. ठीक है, चलिए फिर नेक्स्ट करते हैं, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन पे बढ़ते हैं. I always want to go alone for a ride, but my mother dash going with my brother. You have insists, insists on, insists in, and then you also have insisted. Hurry up. Take a minute and then think of it. हाँ जी, पहली बात तो I always want to go alone, my mother insists. ये तो गलत है क्योंकि insist के साथ एक preposition लगना बहुत जरूरी है. Insisted भी नहीं आएगा क्योंकि this is in simple present. It is going in present tense. I want to go alone, right? Next you have insist on or in. This is also not a phrasal verb. The only phrasal verb that goes along with insist is insist on. या हम बोलते हैं insist upon. And what do you mean by this? It means to put emphasis on something. किसी चीज पे जब आप stress डालोगे आप उसको क्या बोलोगे? Insist on. ठीक है? I insisted on going along with my mother. Insisted on मतलब किसी के साथ जाने की इच्छा रखना. Insist on मतलब जिद करना किसी चीज की. ठीक है? This is how you do these questions, right? I hope this is clear to you. Next, the meeting has been dashed until the next week. Now you see all the 4 options are different. तो इस टाइप के भी questions आ सकते हैं जहाँ पे चारों ही option different हो. अभी तक एटलीस्ट हमारे पास ऐसा था कि called word जो था वो सेम था. तो called off, called on, called out. This could have been done if you know. Now, but here all the 4 options are different. You need to know separately or individually what is the meaning of put off, gone through, set out, taken off. What does it mean, right? So I think you have guessed the answer by like till now. So let's quickly discuss the meanings first. So जैसे call off का मतलब है cancel कर देना. For example, the wedding was called off because of COVID, right? Put off का मतलब होता है to postpone something. Put off का मतलब है postpone. The match was put off because of heavy rains. ठीक है, it was postponed. Now when you have gone through का मतलब क्या होता है कि जैसे हम बोलते हैं ना कि go through your paper, right? So it means to have a thorough look. To have a thorough look, right? Next you have set out. Set out का क्या मतलब होता है? It means to begin or initiate. It means to initiate. For example, he has set out for his journey. He has set out on his journey, right? And what is taken off? Like detached. For example, the plane has taken off. Plane has taken off के लिए आप क्या बोलोगे? देखो OFF off का क्या मतलब होता है? इस preposition का मतलब ये होता है when जैसे हम बोलते हैं ना put off your shoes, like you need to get away out of your shoes. So OFF off का मतलब ये होता है to separate oneself from something, right? So when I say put off, it means take it off. Put off का और क्या मतलब होता है? Postpone. And take off का मतलब क्या होता है? For example, the plane has taken off. तो मतलब it has left the earth, right? So this is how you need to understand these things, okay? Next question is, the children were very well dash. Gave up, got off, brought up, or gave in. Hurry up, think of it. Now what is the meaning of gave up? Now understand one thing, it comes from the word give up. Give up का मतलब होता है quit कर देना. ठीक है, जैसे he gave up playing cricket, like so he has quit playing cricket, right? He gave up smoking, so that is like he has quit that. Got off. For example, if I say get off the plane, get off the bus, come out, step out of it, right? What is brought up? It also comes from bring up. देखो brought up होता है जैसे किसी को नर्चर करना, किसी को बड़ा करना या रेज करना, जिसको हिंदी में परवरिश भी कहते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल व्हेन आई से ही वाज ब्रॉट अप बाय हिज ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स, तो मतलब जब किसी ने लुक आफ्टर जिसने किया हो या उसको नर्चर करके रेज किया हो, दैट इज कॉल्ड ब्रिंगिंग समवन अप, राइट? एंड गिव इन का मतलब होता है टू फाइनली अग्री. मतलब एंड में मान ही जाना. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, आई डिड नॉट वॉन्ट टू लिसन टू हिम और आई डिड नॉट वॉन्ट टू अग्री टू हिज प्रपोजल, बट आई फाइनली गिव इन. आई हैड टू फाइनली गिव इन. तो इसका मतलब है कि you agreed to something, right? So children were very well what? Gave up, quit, got off, brought up, gave in. The answer is very simple. They were brought up. मतलब उनकी परवरिश was very nice. ठीक है? This was very simple. Next, you go now and I'll dash you later. I'll catch up with you later. Back up, go back on, come about. Think of it first. Come about का मतलब होता है happen. Go back on है कि not to do something that you agreed to do. मतलब मान लो आपने कोई चीज अग्री करा करने के लिए, बाद में you said that I won't do it. Okay, that is going back on. Backup का मतलब होता है extra support. जैसे हम बोलते हैं हमारे पास extra backup है या हमारे पास backup है कार में पड़ा हुआ. Backup क्या होता है आपका? Extra support. And what is catch up with? Catch up with ka, for example, you know, there's a group of friends meeting after very long. So what they will say that we had a lot to catch up with. मतलब update होना एक दूसरे के साथ. So, catching up with का मतलब होता है being familiar with the new or present information because you might have missed it out in the past, right? So that is what catching up. किसी के साथ catch up with करना, right? Next is come about का मतलब होता है happen. Okay, how did this come about? So how did this happen, right? So you go now and I'll dash you later. I'll back up you later. No. I'll go back on. No. I'll catch up with you later. I'll meet you later. So the answer will be A. Done. I hope you understood the meaning of all the 4 options. The matter called up an explanation of his conduct. Now you have already been given a highlighted word. All you need to do is that you need to tell me that whether this is right or whether it is wrong. ठीक है? Call up का मतलब होता है किसी को ring करना. He called her up, right? To ring someone or to give a call. Call out क्या होता है? To take someone's name like in a screaming way. He called him out, right? Called in. I was called in his office. Called for. This calls for an explanation. Like this deserves or this demands an explanation. तो बताओ क्या होगा? The matter called for an explanation of his conduct. Right? So call out, call in, call for. इनके आपको meanings जो है वो clear होने चाहिए. Done? Next. Hearing the news of the accident, he broke. Now, broke, you know, is the second form of break. Break, broke, and broken. The options that you have in place of broke up, broke down, broke up, broke out. Now, let me tell you individually the meanings of them. Breakdown का मतलब होता है to stop functioning, right? To cease or to stop to function. Now, when it comes to a machine, for example, the car broke down in the middle of the highway, it means it stopped functioning. If I say the boy broke down after hearing the news, so what do you mean by broke down? It means he stopped, he started crying. Okay, breakdown when it comes to humans, it means crying, right? So, for example, his mother broke down in the middle of her speech. It means she started crying. What is break up? To end relations with someone. Break up is to end relations with someone. What do you mean by break out? ब्रेक आउट का मतलब होता है अ सडन स्प्रेड. मतलब मान लीजिए कोई चीज जो है वो एकदम से स्प्रेड होने लग गई, उसको हम क्या बोलेंगे? ब्रेकआउट. फॉर एग्जाम्पल अगर मैं आपको बोलती हूँ कि COVID-19 ब्रोक आउट ऑल ऑफ अ सडन. ब्रोक आउट का मतलब एपिडेमिक ब्रोक आउट, या हम कई बार इवन द एक्ने एंड पिंपल्स दैट वी हैव ऑन अ फेस, उसको भी हम बोलते हैं ब्रेकआउट. समथिंग दैट स्टार्ट्स सडनली इज नोन एज ब्रोक आउट और ब्रेकआउट. So, hearing the news of the accident, he what? He broke up with whom? No, we are not told. Broke out, फैल गया वो? नहीं. क्या होगा आंसर? He broke down, that he started crying. Our plans for the trip fell down because we had no money. So, should there be fell off, fell out, fell through, or no improvement? Just think of it once. Hurry up. Yeah. So, fall off का मतलब क्या होता है? Fall off होता है कहीं से गिर जाना. For example, he fell off the mountain, right? Fall out का मतलब होता है argument. Fall through का क्या मतलब होता है? Fall through का मतलब होता है to fail, right? So the plan fell off, fell out. Plan is not going to argue with someone. The plan fell through. The answer is C. Our plan fell through. Whenever you have the term fell through, it means fail. Right? I hope this is clear. So these were basically some of the prepositions and some of the phrasal verbs that have come in the exam, and possibly the ones that you should know because they are important. So thank you so much everybody. I hope you liked the video and I hope you learned something out of it. And do let me know any kind of video that you want me to share or want me to like share it with you. So please like the video and comment on it. Thank you so much and thanks for joining me. Bye bye.